corporate IT department. And first of all, I want to apologize for some technical issues during the presentation. Of course, we know how to do it perfectly, like Apple or Samsung. They just simply broadcast the pre-recording videos. But in this case, half of you will be asleep in the lunchtime, I think. But we make interactive presentation and involve our employees into it. Also, we invite, I think, very expensive event leader for lead this summit, like Aleksandr. And we believe that this is much more important than a few seconds delay, not minutes, just seconds delay. I hope that you share our opinion about importance of interactivity, and definitely better than watching a few hours of long pre-recordings. Okay. What corporate IT department consists? It consists from user support team, core admins team, and information security team. All these teams, many years working together to provide us stability, help, and support. And of course, we still have to provide you stability services and provide you help and support. But now I want to move our focus to help, support, and innovate, because it's really time for it. And to implement our new strategy, I create a new department, the digital transformation team. Unlike the rest of my department, the new team will not be focused on stability, but on only for new functionality. And together with you, we will do many cool things. For example, we implement new technologies and create new opportunities for you. We invent and implement explorational new tools to improve the convenience of your daily work experience. And now move to main results of 2023. We are tested, well, one of our main tasks, we tested a few locations for our second data center. We tested Dubai, Turkey, Thailand, and many other countries. And finally, we decided to stay in London, because the most important thing for data center is fast and stable operation. And also, we launched vSAN infrastructure in London, and we already migrate all key services to this location. It was, for example, it was increased speed of some migrated services like Jira more than 2 times. And we implement a new Zabbix monitoring system in our department. We're still in progress with it. And it will allow us to replace several different monitoring systems that we have now. For main tasks, we moved our IT infrastructure for mobile testing to new location in Riga office, and it also helped us to increase their performance. And to ensure the stable operation of 1,000 mobile devices in one place, we completely redesigned entire Wi-Fi system in Riga office, because we was not ready for so much mobile phones, tablets, laptops, and etc. in one place. But now all is working perfectly. And we implement a new system for remote workers with phones and SIM cards for our financial department. And now, finally, FinDep employees don't have pass phones to each other and worry weekends with if someone unavailable, I cannot get access to really urgent SMS. We implement a system for automatically pass through employee data between account system, Google, and Slack. We do it in collaboration with our HR department and I don't know how to do it in English, one S development team. Now, for example, if you change your position, change your department, or change your last name, all data will be automatically updated everywhere. And we deployed and tested new functionality of systems for external sharing documents in Google Workspace and automatic reward access. For what we do it? For example, you shared documents for some partners, and after 1 year you just forgot about it, but your documents still in the cloud, and they still have access to it. And our new system will remind you and ask you, do you want to hold or you want to revoke the access? It will increase our information security, I think, for the new level. And we're deploying and testing functionality of many systems for checking and training our employees to comply with digital security rules. For what? If you're opening, and unfortunately some of you still opening phishing emails, you click into dangerous link, you enter your corporate password on this link, and we will find out about it and recommend you some security training to improve your security knowledge. Because now we know if we sending email like from Dmitry Volkov to some of you, you are think this is really from Dmitry email, and you try to do what Dmitry asked you. That's why we will train you to how to recognize malicious activity. And for increase security of financial department, we implement GCP, Google Cloud Platform control for financial department computers. The steps really significantly increase the security because now when employer of financial department try to work with unapproved laptop, they cannot do it before we check it and approve it. And also we do it every year. We conducted many pen tests and DDoS tests for our infrastructures and customers' infrastructure. And of course, we find vulnerabilities and we get information about it. We provide it for our department or hosting department or our development team to fix it. This make our products and our customers' data more secure. Just to remind, we have not allowed a single case of hacking, of leakage of our corporate data still. And one slide for complete user request. Every day, every year it was increased. And of course, in total, in fact, we process more than 10,000 user requests per year because some requests were taken not in service desk, just directly to Slack message or WhatsApp or something else. In real life, we have around 12,000 requests per year from you. And now switch to plans for 2024. We plan to migrate corporate IT services from our reserve data center to the cloud. This was allow us to gain more flexibility and stability, and of course, we can save money for its maintenance. We provide security measures for new data center of collocation of our customer infrastructure, and it's mean anti-DDoS, anti-hacking, monitoring, and malicious activity. We will control it. And we put into operation new separate server rack for our developer team for test stands and stages, and we'll completely upgrade network infrastructure. And I think it will working faster, minimum at least 10 times faster. And now, in previous year, we just test these systems. In this year, we will implement it. We will implement, distribute throughout the company of the system for find external sharing documents, and implement and distribute throughout the company's system for checking and training employees. Now we have a final, and we have already installed and do all settings, and now we're ready to provide it to you. And also, we have a plan to implementation of managed engine endpoint central. Now our employees are located all over the world. Of course, we don't have support staff in every country, but we must to provide support to you, and we want to do it. And this system allow us to prepare new computers, new mobile phones several times faster, and super them more efficiently because we can connect it directly by our user support. We also have, actually we have no plan to do it, but we have to migrate our antivirus system to new system from another vendor. This is a way to reduce sanction risk, And we will audit colleagues from Qubit and Deal prepare for us, because now we have enough experience to audit your system for security, and we quite strictly security required, and we will check how you comply with them. And of course, we want to help our company to go into high-tech company. And to do it, we'll create an implementation of AI-based Slack bot for support our internal users. For example, you need to find out how to log into new IT system, or you need to have access to the report, or you just need to get a new laptop. You will be greeted by our AI Slack chatbot, and they will guide you along the right path. And finally, in ideal situation, our bot will solve your problem by itself. You will not need to switch to service desk or Jira or something else. We just starting for this process, but we're really excited about it. And also, we have pre-tested, and it's working fine for some projects, and we will implement it in first quarter of this year. We implement approving of requests directly via Slack. Without having go to your email to open Jira or service desk and complete approval there. You just get button approve or deny in Slack and just click on it, and that's all. And actually, we have everybody know about just normal robot, I mean physical robots, but in sometimes software robots can help to do many things. Of course, for sure, ChatGPT, everybody knows it, can answer many questions well, and it can write program code for you, for example. But ChatGPT cannot yet interact with internal IT systems. And there are still quite a lot of routine process, everyday routine process that uses several different systems, like a cloud and premise at the same time. And therefore, combining them into a system can be very difficult to consume and expensive. And if these tasks are repeated frequently and can be described by step, the robot will help us. And we already pre-test these robots. Valentina Rinkin was responsible for this project. And so far, robots can help to automate this process, speed up routine tasks, and free your working time for more useful tasks. And I want to thank all my team. I would like to special mentions to head of my departments, Artem Pisetsky, my deputy and head of core admins team. Valentina Rinkin, head of user support services. Ruslan Pavlov, head of information security, and Sergey Shubakov, lead Jira developer. But of course, I'm grateful to my entire team, not only for these guys, and for each employee, for all of my guys, because you are amazing, and all our achieve in this year, it's depends about you. Thank you very much for that. Any questions?
Thank you.